How to slow down YouTube Shorts. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can slow down YouTube Shorts. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the YouTube application. After that, now tap on the search from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Now once you're on your short piece, all you have to do is like the short that you would like to slow down. For example, I have this short right here, so like this short. Now once you have done that, go back to your home page and then tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now under this page, go to your liked videos. Here you will find the short that you have liked recently. Tap and open it. Now once you have opened up these shorts, again tap on it and tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. From here you have to tap on playback speed, and here you can choose this speed. You can simply go to 0.5x to slow it down, and there you go, you have slowed down the YouTube Shorts. So that's how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.